Hello everyone. In this exercise, we will understand how to use the AND gap in the SOLIDWORKS Weldments. For this, we make a simple structure: top plane, sketch, center rectangle, dimension. I take it, suppose 800. This is the take it 700. Okay. This is a simple structure. I have made a sketch. Out of the sketch, weldment, the structural member, I take a square tube. ISO standard square tube, size of 88 group, select this one. First this structure, and this structure. When you select the structure, you see the end position. So you can take this position. This is the corner at 45 degree. This is this end position in this way. End position this way. I am taking in this way, end position of this, if you are saying. But I am maintaining the gap of 10 mm in order to better understanding. 10 mm. This is the gap of 10 mm between every two members. Okay. I apply a color here. Go in the from here you can apply the color opposite to this one. Appearance, I apply red color. I applied this color. I hide the okay. End cap in the weldment there is a end. I am end cap using. First we have to select, and suppose I slightly zoom it, there is a gap between. First end cap we use at the end of pipe, where pipe is open. So I want to close it. So there are three type of thickness direction. One, two, this is the outward, this is the inward, and this is the you can see here internal. This is the inward and this is the internal. First I use the outward direction. First you select this one. Thickness I am taking 5 mm. Okay. There are the two options: thickness ratio and offset value. Suppose I am using first thickness ratio. Suppose I take the thickness 0 mm. And corner treatment I am taking the fillet, I am taking the 10 mm. Because thickness of the pipe is 5 mm. So outer radius will be 10 mm. So I am taking this one. You will see 0 mm means the surface of outer wall is matching with the pipe surface. Suppose I edit it. Suppose thickness ratio I take that 0.5 mm. 0.50 mm. 0.50 mm means 0.50 means 0.50 into 5 mm. 5 mm is the thickness of this pipe is equal to 2.5 mm. It means if I then you will see this outer wall is at a distance of 2.5 mm from the outer surface. Again I edit it. Suppose I take it 0.7 mm. 0.70 mm. Okay. It means 0.7 means if you use cancel 0.70 into 5 mm pipe thickness is equal to 3.5 mm. It means this outer wall is at a distance of 3.5 mm from this one. It means this is the thickness ratio. Now another option I use another pipe side. Suppose I use this one. Front end gap. Suppose I use the offset value. Suppose I take the 0 mm. First I select the surface. You can change here from the thickness also. Suppose I take the 3 mm. Okay. Offset, same change. And edit it. You can change the radius, corner treatment. You can both option है chamfer. You can provide chamfers or fillet. 10 mm I'm taking this one. Offset value 0 means outer wall of the pipe. Outer wall is matching. I take the suppose right, or suppose I take the left view. Or this one. It means outer wall is matching with the pipe surface. Edit it. Suppose I take it 2.5 mm. 0 mm. It means you see, okay, I keep it open. It means outer wall is at a distance of 2.5 mm. Again, I have edited. Suppose I take it 3 mm. It means outer wall is at a 3 mm. Or suppose I change the direction, it means now it is outer wall is at a distance of 3 mm from the pipe surface. In this way, you can also change the direction from here also. This one. Okay, thickness ratio. And thickness ratio means suppose 0.5 mm, 0.5 into pipe thickness. That will be the thickness ratio. In this way, we can apply. Suppose you can delete also. You can delete also. You can delete it also. Suppose another, this is the inward. This is the inward, or this is the internal. Internal I selected. Internal selected. Suppose I selected this one. And now this one. Suppose this is internal. This is internal. Internal. You are saying this is the internal. You can give the depth also here from, suppose I give the 5 mm depth. This is the 5 mm depth from the surface. Thickness ratio, same options. Thickness ratio, suppose I use the 0.5 mm. 0.5 mm. Thickness ratio, it means 0.5 mm. It means it is at a distance of 2.5 mm from the surface, inner wall. So suppose I use 0 mm. 0 mm, 0 mm. It means it is just matching. It is just coinciding with the inner wall. It is matching with the inner wall. This is the fillet. Fillet I am taking 10 mm. This one. You are seeing, if I right, it's here this. Left view. Right, this one. This one. This is the outer inner view. This is at a distance. Suppose you take this view, hidden view. You will see the cap is inside at a distance of 5 mm. Okay. In this way, we can insert the cap. This is inside depth. Now another, if you use, this is the inward. This is the inward. In same fashion, you can, mostly we use first and second one. Okay. I hope this exercise would you would have enjoyed this exercise. And if you like, please share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you for watching.